All right, welcome to another maker vlog. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 2. Just couldn't sleep. And today is 3D Printopia. So my son and I are gonna be leaving here in about 2 hours, and heading out there to check it out. So let's go. In 2 hours. But for you, it'll be a second. Well, we've made it to 3D Printopia. It opened up about an hour or so ago. And of course, the first thing that I noticed is the German Shepherd that's down there. Lost it. There it is, by the doors. Of course, German Shepherd.
Yes, this is the boat. And I have but not the connector.
Gotta get some B-roll for the old YouTubers.
Display event. They have writing workshop. They have children's activities. Should be better now. Are you ready?
I love that it writes all its letters backwards.
So when are we going to be out for consumer use?
Yep. Let me get a video for them.
It just looks like it's so awesome. We do my channel. We do CNC lasers and 3D print, but we were really
We cleaned it very carefully, so it's hard to find at the beginning.
All right. The biggest downfall of this event is that it is sweltering hot inside. Outside, it's not bad. There's a little breeze, and it's I don't know, 72 or 74, something like that. It's not too warm, but inside, there's no air movement, and it is hot as nuts. I'm sweating like crazy, so came outside, sat down, having a chicken tender.
States. So David's going to share some of that with us, and then we're just going to have a little Ask Me Anything. So think about what questions you might have at the end.
Thankfully, this year we're able to get our first rolls out. So we are starting to produce filaments and the printers here in the United States, and we're going to continue to grow that. Our staff at our facilities has quadrupled as far as a facility size and tenfold on our staff. And no thoughts of slowing down yet on this one.
So, how many of you
Well, they're saying PLA, the regular like PLA.
I'm ready.
But some printers like I mean, it's got so much.
Whose is this one?
He has the 2.4 now, so he's been doing those.
Well, I'm pretty sore, so I'm gonna head home. What a good day. And got some cool stuff, got to meet some really cool people, and yeah, fun times. 3D Printopia 2024. It was a good time. Can't wait for 25.